So for our rear-facing install, it's sort of reclined, not as much as the newborn that I just had it on. I moved my seat up a little bit, don't mind my disaster of a car. You twist and pull, and then the seat belt pretty much just, and I have arms for this, slides into this here, and then on the other side as well. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And then you do the shoulder belt too. If you were using both hands, you could do them at the same time. Oh, look, fruit snack pouch. I promise this is a lot easier with 2 hands. Okay, so that's it. Give yourself a little more slack. And then you just go around here. Toddler's walking around the car. Leaves. She stole my keys out of the door.
Mommy.
Yes, Anna.
Daddy.
You click the buckle. I pull the shoulder strap portion to make sure the lap belt is snug. And then follow it back through the seat. There's still a little slack there. So I feed it through. Pull it tight. Pull the lap belt. And it's not super tight. I mean, you can still move it. That's how you want it. You don't want to lock the belt. And then you literally just push on both sides. And as long as the clicktight is perfectly horizontal, it's installed right. So that was the install. It doesn't even move an inch anywhere here at the belt path. And what I like about it too is it doesn't even really move up here. Like, it's sturdy as fuck. And the recline, once you install it, I can't breathe. Once you install it, the recline does go up a little, so it's more inclined. So you just have to make sure you keep that in your mind when you're installing. It's like right now, this is probably Hannah. This is the recline I have it in for Hannah on the other side. Almost exact. So it's a great seat. And then to take it out, watch out, baby. You have to unclick the seat belt first. And then the seat loosens up. You grab the clicktight and you turn it. And then you just take the belt out. And you can see, like, I mean, she can even pull the slack now. It's really, really easy to do. And you don't have to replace it after a fender bender or after you bumper tap your husband's car on the way out the driveway. Please don't kill yourself. Stop. You're not getting in the car.